1, 2, 3. Hey there!
It's really spontaneous, you know?
What? I don't know how much Old Bay is too much Old Bay. Why am I friends with these two? Full of Old Bay. Welcome to James Weikert's YouTube channel. I am James Weikert.
Oh, he's hugging
I've
me.
changed a bit. But actually, I'm Acacia. I was in one of the vlogs. Which vlog was I in? I was in the last cooking vlog. I told you about oat milk. I forgot the oat milk.
She said milk.
Oat milk?
Oat milk. We have some new faces in this vlog.
Oh yeah.
We have Maeve,
Hi.
my roommate from college.
Yes.
And then we have Milford, Miles.
Miles, when you get famous, this is the video they'll play.
So I'm going to buy some groceries for dinner tonight. And I figured I'd take you along with me. Let's go. So right now we're going to start on our marinade for the chicken breasts. So what we're going to need is some chicken. I have boneless, skinless chicken breasts here. And we're also going to marinate it with a lemon, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of chili powder. You also need some plastic Ziploc bags. This is how we're going to marinate our chicken. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up the chicken real quick to get it smaller than it is right now. And then I'm going to put it in the plastic bag. Okay, so the next step, we have our bag of chicken. We're going to marinate the chicken in here. First thing, we're going to add half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. So quite a bit of olive oil. It doesn't have to be exact, it's just some liquid. We're going to pour that into our bag. Get it all nice and in there. Look at that. And we'll add a little more just for the fun of it. Next thing, we're going to chop and juice this lemon. Okay. Now we're done with that. Now we're going to add our, wouldn't say spices, but yeah, salt and pepper. You want to salt our chicken really well, and we'll salt it again before it goes into the oven. And make sure you massage it around a little bit so that the salt gets everywhere. You don't just want the top bits. Add a hefty amount of salt and some black pepper, and then the final thing is some chili powder just for a little extra oomph. Next thing, we're going to seal it up. Make sure you seal it completely, and then we're going to massage it. that it's nice and mixed, we're going to let it marinate for upwards of an hour. And we're going to do that by putting it in the fridge. Okay, so I've taken our chicken out of the fridge. We're going to just put it nicely on our
James, you're in the way there.
pre-warmed.
Oh wait, okay, how much is this just this?
Yeah, I mean, whatever. You can just feel free to wing it.
Okay.
It's really spontaneous, you know? So we're taking our chicken out. We've preheated our oven to 400.
Thinking that 10 cups of rice is enough. I'm gonna...
Keisha going straight for the brownies.
We're gonna finally season our chicken a little more. Add some more salt before it goes in the oven.
A real info shot.
He said that...
Even better,
Eat the
thank
brownie.
you.
And now these are going in the oven for a little bit.
For a little bit.
Don't know how long. You should just check on your stuff.
Okay,
Look at that.
there they are. Look at that. Beautiful.
Okay, Acacia,
Okay.
action.
So we're doing some Brussels sprouts. For the, how many of us actually will consume them?
I'll have a few.
Okay.
You?
I will eat a Brussels sprout.
3 of 5. Oh, Maeve will eat 1.
Yeah.
4 of 5 of us will be consuming these Brussels sprouts.
Just not the person who's making the
Just not
Brussels
the
sprouts?
person who's making them.
You don't like Brussels sprouts?
Sad.
No.
What if they're really good?
No.
Well,
But anyway, so what you do is you cut the...
This is fun. This is not what I expected for this evening. This is great.
So wait,
Okay.
you cut the top part off of it, and then you have this little Brussels sprout thing right here. And then you cut it in half. And then you put it in this bowl.
wow.
Look at the bowl.
And
You cut the top part off?
Yeah.
That's not how I do it, but that's exciting.
What do you do?
I don't think you
I
don't cut this part off.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I did.
The bottom.
Oh, is that the bottom
That's the
part?
bottom.
Okay, never mind. I lied.
1 second, I'm tossing the Brussels. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to get these Brussels sprouts ready to cook. So we're gonna do a hefty amount of olive oil. These Brussels sprouts are going to be some honey glazed Brussels sprouts, courtesy of Bon Appetit. I think it's Molly's recipe. Shout out to Molly. The best. So we're doing a nice amount of salt, pepper, your basic stuff.
Rice cookers by Oyster or whatever this is.
Can y'all pipe down? I'm trying to explain the Brussels sprouts. Thank you. Now we're gonna add a little bit of onion powder, and some
I inhaled some of that. That's good.
chili powder as well, just a tad to add some flavor. And we're gonna shuffle. Get it nice. Oh, we lost the Brussels sprout. It's okay. Get them nice and very nice and that, something like that.
It's like it's in the bowl with it. That's great.
Okay. And then we're gonna put them on our baking sheet and put them in the oven. Okay, so we're just going to put them on our baking sheet, which has been preheated in the same oven.
Sorry. Everything's great.
We're just gonna put them open side down or cut side down. Okay, now these are going in the oven. Dave, can you get the oven shot? Thank you. Going in the oven with our chicken.
Ooh.
Look at how nice that scene is.
What? I don't know.
A fair bit.
I think it is because it's
All of
It's
it.
blinking.
yeah, and time.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put my potatoes on this.
Did I give your phone back to you? Should I be Brussels sprouting?
Okay. I don't know.
Here am I. Did you put some oil? Here are my potatoes.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them on here and then I'm gonna put them on.
Oh.
Yeah. You see.
Do you want to use our tossing bowl?
Potatoes.
Oh.
No, thank you.
What do you want from me?
Are you gonna time lapse this? Okay, I'm gonna put Old Bay on it. Is that fine?
Okay, I'm gonna put Old Bay on.
Yeah, so.
Are you massaging the rice?
I'm following the instructions on the manual.
Of course he is.
Miles.
What? This is gonna be the best rice I've ever had.
I don't know how much Old Bay is too much Old Bay. Whoa. Fancy.
Okay, I'll make.
Look at that sizzle.
I'll make a cup and 3/4.
Okay, so part of the Brussels sprouts is a honey balsamic glaze. So we're gonna just simmer some honey. That's what the recipe said. I don't know exactly what that means.
Or Molly's recipe.
Molly's recipe from Bon Appetit Test Kitchen.
We love Molly.
Oh! What?
So we're gonna let that sizzle and foam a little bit.
Yeah.
Is what the recipe said. I'm not too sure, but we'll see if we include this. If we've included it in the footage, then we've won. If not, we've failed. Do you want to explain what you did?
Oh, I'm turning over the Brussels sprouts.
Oh wow.
If I had my on this, I would definitely that would suck.
We're gonna flip the chicken.
You can't, how can you see what it's recording?
If it's.
Oh, wow.
I don't know.
And then, oh
I
You
missed
missed
it. I did
No.
a bad job.
Okay, so now we're gonna do a few things.
no. Oh, are we filming?
Do you have rose? Often.
Do you have
Oh,
rosemary?
rosemary would be really good.
I don't have rosemary. This is not my house.
Not on me.
Do you have
sadly.
rosemary?
Okay.
No.
You could just like pull out a little
So
bottle
we
of
have
rosemary.
our little.
Would you like me to? Okay, I'll get in the shop.
No, I just need you to be quiet. So we have our little
Oh, this?
concoction here.
If you were I'd get that up close. I thought you were putting that on
I
the
don't think they
Brussels
want to see
We
this.
can just give Julie
So we're
a
gonna
shout out in
just
case she
like
can't make
paint
into
it
the
on
vlog.
here
We
for a
can,
few
yeah.
of them
We
and
love
see how it
This
is.
isn't flavorful enough, so I'm just gonna put more on.
You can try this at home if you'd like.
What?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Don't watch me.
Don't know if I'd recommend.
Why am I friends with these two?
I
The
found
world may
so
never
many
know.
salts.
This
Wow.
is not why I'm friends with Juliana. She has other qualities.
Did you get it?
So we're gonna do a little sprizzle of
Sprizzle. It's a sprizzle.
this as well on the Brussels sprouts. And now we're going to put these back in and broil them for like 5 minutes.
That's a great idea for the channel.
Okay, so we've gotten everything finished. We've got our
Our matching sweaters.
nice chicken. Let's see.
I don't have. Well, we did not buy them together.
Nice color on the top.
I used to own a purple
Some nice
sweater
Brussels
of that
sprouts.
variety.
Fingerling potatoes. Thanks to Juliana's accident. And I think we're ready to eat because Miles messed up on the rice. So how is everything?
Full of Old Bay.
Full of Old Bay, thanks to someone. Miles, how are you enjoying your
That's
food?
good. My favorite is the Brussels sprouts, gotta say.
They're
It's
really
because
good.
of my slicing.
Lego, how are you enjoying the food?
No, the Brussels sprouts aren't half
they're
bad.
actually No! Okay, okay, I can do it. Let's...
Wow.
Oh. Okay. I don't think I really like Old Bay that much.
This is why I never touch the Old Bay. Just for record.
Every time.
Where's those?
How's it going?
Oh, God, great.